Hello everyone, my name is Mahendra. Basically, I am from Kanpur, UttarPradesh. I have done my Pvt Ltd in IT from Technical University, Uttar Pradesh. I just want to share my experience of Kaizen classes. There is a well-educated trainer who taught me a lot related to networking, CCNA, ITIL, Linux administration, Windows administration. For this type of topic they have taught me for the desktop support engineer. So now I got placed in Kaizen IT Services Pvt Ltd as a desktop support engineer with a salary package of 2.34 LPA. So now I just want to thanks to all the team member of Kaizen and thanks to the Sati man who supports me a lot, and special thanks to Mr. Ganesh sir who taught me a lot that how to handle the pressure of interview and how to face the interview and how to crack the interview. So thanks to all the team member of Kaizen. Thank you.